Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be explaining how you can add Snowflake connection with the file server. So let's go to the file server administration section, click on global connections. This is going to take a couple of seconds to load. So you can see there are a bunch of connections currently created. So we'll create a connection which is for everyone, and we'll be choosing storage connection, and we'll just click on the drop down and select Snowflake. So you can see there are a bunch of options available over here. The first thing we would be doing is that giving the connection name. Give a username, a password, a title for the connection. We need to choose the warehouse that we want to connect to. A bit of description about the connection. This connection is for demo purpose. And finally, the URL that is provided by the Snowflake cloud. Once you have entered all the information, you can just test the connection and save it. So now, once you have saved the connection, you can use it when you are creating any workflow. So you can click on data set, and here you can see all the workflows. You can select one of them, and by clicking on the read from Snowflake, you can choose the new connection that we have just created and start using it. Thank you.